bringing Israel to the world. This is IBN News.
With news of Israel, I'm Susan Michaels. Monday morning saw the start of Israel's trains after a 3-month-long halt due to the coronavirus outbreak. Reopening has remained in question till the last minute, as the health ministry has had concerns that the move would kindle another COVID-19 outbreak. The number of commuters was lower than expected, and it's thought that one reason was the IDF's decision to ban soldiers from traveling on trains at this point. Public health orders say each train can only carry up to 500 passengers for a trip, as opposed to a maximum of 1,000 normally. Passengers are required to wear face masks throughout the trip, even when talking on the phone, and eating and drinking are prohibited. Additionally, commuters must book their tickets in advance online or on the railway's mobile app. A Lebanese political activist has reportedly been charged this week with collaborating with Israel. Lebanon's state-run news agency reported that government commissioner to the military court, Judge Fadi Akiki, charged Kinda El-Khatib with visiting Israel and dealing with spies of the Israeli enemy. El-Khatib was detained last week along with her brother, who was released later, and apparently visited Israel by crossing from Jordan. She has been active on social media, harshly criticizing Lebanon's militant Hezbollah group. As Israel sees a resurgence of COVID-19, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said this week that if the public does not comply with health ministry guidelines, fines for violations will dramatically increase. Earlier, Deputy Police Commissioner Ziv Sagiv warned that enforcement of guidelines will increase, with inspectors raiding public transport, private cars, taxis, and nightclubs. Tel Aviv's Ichilov Medical Center has also been forced to temporarily shut down a second ward due to coronavirus after 4 staff members were diagnosed with the disease. The first ward was shut down last week after 11 employees were diagnosed. And a draft bill has been approved in the Ministerial Committee on Legislation, which would decriminalize the personal use of cannabis in Israel. The bill is expected to go to the Knesset later this week for a preliminary reading. I'm Susan Michaels.
IBN, Israel Broadcast Network.